Discover the magic of colors, fun learning for kids. Welcome to our colorful world. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to explore all the wonderful colors around us. Colors make our world bright and exciting, and each one has its own story to tell. From the blue sky to the green grass, colors are everywhere, and they help us express how we feel and see the world. So, grab your crayons, and let's dive into the magic of colors. Let's start with the primary colors red, blue, and yellow. These are the three main colors that can mix together to create all the other colors in the rainbow. Red is bold and bright, like a juicy apple or a shiny fire truck. Blue is calm and cool, like the sky or the ocean. And yellow is warm and happy, like the sun or a delicious banana. These colors are the building blocks for everything colorful around us. Now, let's have some fun with mixing. When we mix the primary colors, we get new colors called secondary colors. Mix red and blue, and we get purple, just like a beautiful lavender flower. Combine blue and yellow, and we get green, like the leaves of a tree. And if we mix red and yellow, we get orange, like a bright pumpkin. Mixing colors is like magic, and you can try it at home with your paints or crayons. Colors are all around us in nature. Green is the color of grass and trees, and it makes us feel peaceful and fresh. The color blue can be seen in the vast sky or the deep sea, giving us a sense of calmness. Yellow reminds us of sunshine and happiness, and you can see it in sunflowers and lemons. Red brings excitement and energy, like in roses and strawberries. Every color in nature has a special job to make our world beautiful. Did you know that colors can make us feel different emotions? When you see red, you might feel energetic or even a little bit excited. Blue can make us feel calm and relaxed, like floating on a cloud. Yellow is cheerful and bright, making us feel happy and warm. Green can make us feel safe and calm, just like being in a quiet forest. Colors can speak to our feelings without using words. Let's have some fun with colors at home. You can make a color wheel by drawing a big circle and coloring it with all the primary and secondary colors. Or, try a scavenger hunt by looking for different colored objects around your house. How many red things can you find? What about blue or green? You can also use colors to make art, like painting or drawing your favorite colorful scenes. Colors are everywhere, making our world beautiful and exciting. From mixing new shades to discovering the feelings they bring, colors help us learn, create, and express ourselves. Keep exploring the world of colors every day, and remember, there's no limit to what you can create with a little imagination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more fun adventures.